Dad for division, and I'm always on the roof.
I'm Mama Multiplication, and I am always in the house.
Hey, I'm Sissy Subtraction, and I'm taking everything away.
Get out of here. Hi, I am Brother Bring Down. I tell you to bring it down. I'm Ralphie, and I always repeat. And together, we are the Division Family! Woo!
All right, I hope you guys liked meeting our long division family. That's just a little trick that we use to kind of help us remember the steps to long division. So I would recommend in your notes, jot down the family. You can draw a little picture of each family member, just so you remember those steps that you need to go through. I'm going to walk you through this problem, 88 divided by 22, and we're going to use the long division family to help us solve the problem. So our first step is dad divide. So I'm going to start with 22, and I'm going to think how many times does 22 go into 8 without going over? Since I can't do that, 22 times 1 is already over 8. I'm going to put that 0 on the roof. Remember, dad goes on the roof, so that's where that 0 is going to go. Now that I can't do 22 into 8, I'm going to move into 22 going into 88. So I'm going to think how many times can 22 go into 88? Mentally, I'm able to think that that's 4 times. Sometimes it might not always work out that easily, so we might have to do a little multiplication on the side. But this time I can do it out in my head. The next step is mom multiply. So I'm going to think 22 times 4, and I get 88. And then we're moving on to sister subtract. So we're going to subtract our 88 minus 88, 0. If there was another number right over here, that's when we would do brother bring down and bring down that digit to continue the process. And that's also when we would use our friend Ralphie to repeat. But since we have a 0 and since there is nothing left to bring down, I am done. And my answer of my long division problem is 4. All right, so now we're going to do a little bit of a longer problem. So now we're dividing a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So our dividend is 3 digits. We're still going to use our long division family. So those same steps I'm going to go through here. I'm going to think 27 goes into 1, that first digit in my dividend. I can't do that at all, so I'm going to put my 0 right in my answer. Remember, dad goes on the roof. Now I'm going to move on to my 15. 27 goes into 15. I'm going to think how many times? Can't do that, so dad's going to go on the roof 0 times. Last, I'm going to think of how many times 27 can go into 153. I can't do that out in my head, so what I'm going to do to help me is round our 27. And I'm going to round that up to 30. So now mentally, I'm going to think how many times could 30 go into 153? I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So if I multiplied this out, I would get 150. That seems pretty close to me, so I'm going to start there. I'm going to try multiplying now 27 times, we'll see if it can go in 5 times. 5 times 2, I get 135. I'm going to test out 6 just to see if I can get closer. So I'm going to try 27 times 6. 6 times 2 plus 4, 16. That's too big because it went over 153. So now I know for sure that the closest I can get is 5 times. So 27 goes into 153 5 times. So dad goes on the roof. Mom multiply, which I already did to check. 27 times 5 is 135. Sister subtract. Thirteen minus 5, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. and I get my remainder of 18. Now, if my remainder was larger than my divisor, that would be a big red flag that you made a mistake somewhere. You probably didn't get close enough to your dividend, and you would want to make sure you go back, check your work, because that is kind of like a sign for you that you need to go back and fix a problem. All right, I'm going to have you in your notes try this problem, 270 divided by 39. Make sure you go through and use your division family. Pause the video now, and then we'll check back in to see if your answers are correct. Okay, so after doing your work, you should have gotten a final answer of 6, remainder 36. You can see in my work here that I tested out, I rounded our divisor to 40, and I tested that out by multiplying it by 6, which got me pretty close to our dividend. So then I went and did the actual multiplication of 39 times 6, which got me 234. I also tested 7 just to see if I could get closer without going over our dividend, and it did go over. I got 273. So our final answer, when I did that 6 times, I had my remainder of 36. So we should have gotten 6, remainder 36. All right, the last problem we're going to take a look at, we're just extending our dividend, and we're now looking at a 4-digit dividend divided by our 2-digit divisor. I'm going to go through the same steps. So I'm going to think 75 goes into 6, 0 times. So I'm going to put that 0 on the roof. Now I'm going to move on to my 61. 75 goes into 61, 0 times. Put that on the roof as well. Now I'm moving on to 611. I know 75 can go into 611. I just need to figure out how many times. So again, I'm going to round 75 to 80. So I can start to think about mentally how close I can get. I know 8 times 8 is 64, so that would get me 640. That's too big. So I'm going to try 8 times 7 is 560. That seems like it will work. Now I'm going to do the actual multiplication of my divisor. So 75 times 7. I get 525. I'm just going to check 75 times 8 to see if I can get any closer without going over. So I can. 600 was my answer. So now I know that's as close as I'm going to get. So I'm going to say 75 goes into 611 8 times. Dad goes on the roof. 75 times 8. Mom multiply, I get 600. Sister subtract, I get 11. Now brother bring down that 8. And Ralphie repeat. So I'm going to go back through the whole process, just now thinking of 75 going into 118. I'm just going to check and see if 75 can go into 118 2 times. I have a feeling it won't, but we'll check. No. So what I'm going to do is 75 goes into 118 once. Dad goes on the roof. 75 times 1, mom multiply is 75. Sister subtract. I get 3. 43. Since there's nothing left to bring down up here, I am all done and I can't repeat the process. So this 43 turns into my remainder. So my final answer is 81, remainder 43. I'm going to have you now pause the video, go back and check in at your schedule and make sure you know what workbook pages you are going to complete today.